Welcome. This presentation will show you how to create a student list in EAB. On your home page in EAB, on the left side, start by clicking on the magnifying glass icon. This will bring up the page for searching for students based on various attributes. There are a couple of different ways you can search for students. If you have a list of CUA ID numbers, you can copy and paste the entire list into the keyword search. This will pull a list of just those students. Or you can search for students based on the information that you select under these headings. Each of these will open up into a drop-down menu that you can use to tailor your search. A common way to search is based on area of study. When you open this drop-down menu, you can select students based on their majors, minors, certificates, etc. When selecting which of these to use, make sure that you pay attention to the words in the parentheses. If you do a search and no students show up, you may have entered the information into the section that says, "in none of these." Another area that is commonly used to search for students is the term data menu. This is useful if you want a list of specific class of students. Again, make sure that you are in the correct classification. After you've selected the desired characteristics, you can hit search. If you would like to only see students assigned to you, click on the My Students Only box. You should now see a list of students. To create a student list with these students, click on the box that says Name. If you see a student on the list that you do not want to include, just uncheck that specific student. If you have a list with more than 100 students, in the middle of the bar you have to click on the box that says Include All Students. Next, you will click on Actions to see the drop-down menu. Click on Add to Student List, and then there will be another drop-down menu that will allow you to create a new list. Give the list a name and then save. You can now find your list by clicking on the icon on the left-hand side. It will bring up all of the student lists that you have created. When you open a student list, at the top you can click on Actions. This will bring up a series of actions that you can do with this list. You could use your list to do an appointment campaign or to send a communication to all of the students announcing a new class or departmental event, for example. I hope that you now feel empowered to make some student lists. Please feel free to reach out to the office if you have further questions.